Okay, see, I tell you. Normal listening is we are listening but not paying attention to it. We are listening but we are not paying attention to it. For example, right now you are listening to me, you are paying attention. That is active listening. But during this class, you might be hearing some other noise as well. आपको और भी आवाजें आसपास से आ रही होंगी, but you're not paying attention to that. That is normal listening. Are you getting it? Yeah. So normal listening is you're listening but not paying attention to it. Active listening is listening and you're also paying attention. That's active listening. Okay. What is critical listening? There are types of listening. The first one is active listening. We have already discussed listening and paying attention to it. Then after that, the next one is critical listening. What is critical listening? Any idea? What is critical listening? Any idea? What is critical listening? Okay, Pratima. Okay, fine. I tell you. Critical listening is when we listen to someone and we critically judge. We critically judge, just like judges are listening to the songs, the performances of the participants. They also judge without looking at their personalities. Without looking at their personalities means that person, the performer, the participant, he may be Amitabh Bachchan. The performer or the participant may be Shah Rukh Khan. He may be Shivam Jham. But they don't have to do anything with the personality. जब आप किसी को सुनते हो उसकी पर्सनालिटी को देखकर नहीं, उसकी परफॉर्मेंसेस को देखकर उसको जज करते हो, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग क्रिटिकल लिसनिंग. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल क्रिटिकल लिसनिंग. आई होप आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज क्रिटिक. व्हाट इज क्रिटिक? व्हाट इज क्रिटिक? ममता, being student of masters, I think it is actually expected, but I'm a little bit surprised. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. Anyone else? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Anyone else? Own views are given by individuals also, like audience. They give their own views when they watch any movie. They say, okay, it's a good movie. They say, okay, it's a bad movie. Salman Khan was not good in this movie. Salman Khan was good in this movie. So are they critique? Huh? Okay. Can we call them critique? हजारों लोग हैं जो कमेंट करते हैं. कपिल शर्मा के ऊपर हजारों लोगों ने कमेंट किया, तो क्या वो सारे क्रिटिक है? Then who's critique? Who is critique? No idea. Okay. 5 minutes ago, I told you that critical judgment is when we judge someone without looking at their personality. वो लोग कौन हैं, कैसे हैं, कौन सी पर्सनैलिटी से हैं, चाहे वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर क्यों ना हो, लेकिन उनकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है. जो सिर्फ उनकी परफॉर्मेंस को जज करते हैं उनको क्रिटिक बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? अब परफॉर्मेंस को जज करने का मतलब क्या है? कोई बंदा मूवी देखने गया, somebody went to watch movie and he did not like it. He said, okay, the movie was worst. That's not critical judgment. That's just like emotional kind of decision you say, right? So critiques will tell you, okay, उसमें rhyming scheme कैसी थी, उसमें डायलॉग्स कैसे थे, उसमें रिपीटिशन कितने हुए थे, कहीं या कहीं से कॉपी तो नहीं हुई थी, बोरिंग थी या वैसे थी, मतलब किस वजह से बोरिंग थी, रीजन फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. That is called critical judgment or critical listening. I hope it is clear. Huh? So that person is known as critique, those who make judgment without looking at the personality of the individual. अंडरस्टैंड, उसको पर्सनैलिटी से मतलब नहीं है, उसको उसकी परफॉर्मेंस से मतलब है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर, आमिर खान की एक मूवी आई थी एंड दैट वाज फ्लॉप अराउंड 4 or 5 months बैक. रिचा, who's that? ओके, सो एक मूवी आई थी सलमान खान की, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. Everyone said that the movie was good. Most of his fans said the movie was good, but critics जो थे उन्होंने साफ साफ बोला कि इसमें ये चीज गलत थी. ओके, ये पॉइंट किया, वो पॉइंट किया, डायलॉग्स पे पॉइंट किया. इवन क्रिटिक्स और क्या करते हैं आपने देखा होगा, वंस द मूवी इज रिलीज्ड, तो उसके बाद उसमें दिखाया जाता है क्या क्या गलतियां हुई. कभी देखा आप लोगों ने? वो कैमरास के थ्रू उसको कैच करा जाता है कि देखो यहाँ पे इसकी शेल्टर आ रही है, वहां पे शेल्टर नहीं आ रही. तो ये कौन करता है? दीज थिंग्स आर डन बाय क्रिटिक्स. ओके, दे ओनली जज, दे ओनली पे अटेंशन टू द परफॉर्मेंस, नॉट टू द पर्सनैलिटी. होगा आमिर खान अपने घर का होगा, लेकिन उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है उसको जज करना है हमारे को. इज इट क्लियर? So the first one is active listening and paying attention to it. The second one is critical listening, but also to also judge them on their performances. What's the third one? Emphatic listening. What is emphatic listening? Emphatic, EMPHATIC. Emphatic listening. What is emphatic listening? What is emphatic listening? Raise your hand.